There's little Lilith on the way home. She's such a cutie.
Did you buy any of that little vet bed stuff?
No, what did you do that
actually, you know
for?
that fleecy stuff?
She's very cute.
Oh yeah, I saw that. What is that for?
Well, it's quite good because if they quit, it doesn't just massively go into it, but it's quite snuggly.
Oh, is it just a bed then?
Yeah.
She's sticking her tongue out. She likes being fed. Is that Lilith?
Oh, thank you. Thank you, my lovely.
What's she doing that
She's
for?
tired.
Oh,
She's yawning.
that's cute.
You don't remember how much they sleep when they're first living?
18 hours a day.
It is as much as that, is it?
Yeah. Hello, she's so pretty.
Oh, do you think she'll go to sleep when she gets
I
home?
don't think she can wait to get home and have a look at her new home. And have a little sleep.
How she feels she's come to a palace.
She's getting excited now. I'll turn the camera off, yeah.
I think she likes it.
No, you like it.
She likes it. She's got all excited.
Like it, don't you? Lilith. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Lilith. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Big yawn.
Getting lots of kisses.
Lots of lovely little kisses. Thank you.